Hello, we have a new parcel from somebody from overseas. It is a customer we had helping, Linda and me. And yeah, you see Linda also. Look to the camera and say
Hi,
hi.
welkom bij Mismoosh.
Yeah, welcome. Welcome, welcome. No, don't move. Don't do that. Stay. But I'm just happy everything is standing now. So yeah, Linda do now the unpacking. So go on, Lynn.
Great. Ah,
Okay, so open now and so you don't talk with it.
no.
Oh, we removed the name from the customer, our privacy issue, so don't worry about that, Linda. I taped it already with the... And now is the big question,
How to open the box.
how to open the box. Het is een light, Lin. Een LED light.
Okay.
Dus wel een heavy one. Hmm. Do you know what I'm thinking? I think my class is already ready here, and Linda's class is also ready here, so can Linda open it with a knife? Oh, do I need to do that?
Yes, please.
Oh yeah, can you move the glasses already?
Yeah.
Well, the bandits. I have bandits somewhere here. Where's my bandits?
Don't know. Don't want any accidents.
Yeah, I cut myself. I know for sure now.
No.
Oh,
Just
there's a lot of tape. By the way, I don't know what is inside, so I need to be.
can be anything.
Can be indeed by anything. So they like tape. Here's some more cracks. Oh, it's opening.
It's open.
Here you go.
Uh-oh. Just let's see.
Oh, there's a letter
oh,
in. Hold on, hold on. I take the letter away.
Not opening up. Obviously not. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Ooh.
Oh, okay. Pop it out the box. I have also a letter.
Yeah.
Linda, sorry Lynn,
No, thank you.
thank you. But hold on, there is a letter, and it is writing in my own language Dutch, but Linda do directly translate it in it English. And we don't say the names, what is inside in the letter. And but the rest, yeah, here you go, Lynn.
Because we help them and support them, just a little something for us because we were always there for them, just a little gift from where they are from that we can enjoy because we have deserved it and just because they thought about us. And also that, yeah, they have invited us to meet each other.
All right, what I see here, dear lovely women, Linda. They're so happy what they have done for them. They're really happy with us.
Yeah, they're really thankful.
Yeah, what we have done also in the night with our job, what we have done, and to support them. Yeah, that is really.
It's really nice. It's really a lovely thought.
And so yeah, that's really cool. That's really nice. All right, this is okay. Okay, you can open this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one first?
I don't know. It is something from out the country. I never know. I don't know it. So
Let's see. What do we have here? Oh, ooh, that looks good.
gin. This is and bottle it in Germany.
And gin from Germany.
Hold
Looks
on.
quite
I
nice.
need to let you see on the camera. Oh, upside down. Sorry. Schonbuch. I think I pronounced it wrong, but it is Schonbuch. Schonbuch.
Schone.
Schoon.
Schone.
And dit is.
The back.
Oh, look.
Oh, it's really nice. Just a proper gin from
Overseas.
Germany.
From Germany.
Wow. Oh, that is
Luckily.
really
Een
nice.
hint is een. Ja, right. Het was een raartrap in de samenlung.
Yeah.
In de kleine. Oh. Oh, but that is nice. I like this. I like this from. Yeah, I really like this. Yeah, really like this one. Pop them so here.
Oh, it's it is even a German paper.
Oh, German
I
paper. Yeah,
love
newspaper
that.
from Germany.
And this is a monkey also with gin. This way.
No, this. Yeah,
That way.
yeah, this one is this way. This camera.
Oh, I don't know. A monkey.
Wow, a monkey. 47. 47 monkeys?
47 monkeys.
Is that right that I drink 47 monkeys in one bottle?
That doesn't sound really good.
Monkey 14.7. And then we have here
The backside.
the backside, yeah.
2 different gins. Oh, that is really nice.
Wow. Oh, now we need to taste them. Linda, can you be safely take 2 of the small whiskey glasses there?
You really
Then
trust me with that?
then I go reading the Dutch newspaper about this gin. Oh,
The Dutch newspaper in
yeah,
German.
yeah. Be careful with the pot, but that's the
Yeah,
webcam
and
on.
all the cables.
And the cables, yeah.
So this is why I don't like this. Or a cat.
And here are the glass bottles. Okay, have a sit, Lid. We need to taste it. Oh, that is the microphone in. Yeah, that's fine. Have a sit.
Yeah, is it safe
Yeah, you said.
to do so?
Yeah, to do so. We need to nip this one. Oh, I really want to taste this one. Still early in the morning, huh? No, what is all around?
5 o'clock, something like that.
Can you open that there?
No, I can't. I don't want to. Ooh, you're plop.
Oh,
So,
oh, but that smells amazing.
it's plastic.
A little bit to the side. Yeah, thank you. Here. Yeah, it is a little bit annoying plastic lid.
A little bit?
A little bit.
A touchy bit.
Oh, a tutty bit.
Excuse me if you hear me swear. We're
Uh,
getting annoyed.
Now you make some really nice sounds. Somebody else thinking you do something else, Linda, on the movie, but that's fine. Open the bottle. We still have no drink.
Oh,
We have only drink coffee
just a minute.
today.
Just take an hour extra.
Yeah, take an hour extra with the movie. Oh, Lynn, have a smell.
Uh-oh.
Have a smell. Have
Does
a
it-
smell. Have a smell on the bottle.
Does it do plop again?
Yeah, do plop. Oh, yeah.
No. it
Let's see
doesn't
on
do.
the webcam. Look to the webcam and have a smell. Yes, indeed. And he smells nice.
That smells really good, actually.
Oh, I like this. Look. Top. Metal.
Mm. It smells really nice.
Okay, I can open this one now. 1, 2, 3.
That's
To the webcam. To the webcam. Oh, it's really fruity.
pretty.
Yeah, look to the webcam if you.
Smells the mint, kind of.
Alright, and we do give it a little bit. Hold on.
Yeah, wait a minute. I'm just reading. Wait a minute. Lingonberries. That is why it smells sweet.
Nou, doe een little 30.
Little toad.
A little third. We're almost together. Yeah, a little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit. Oh. Yeah. Okay, pop the glass. Yeah. Yeah. Look to the camera when I've taken it.
Why?
Dat is why I recorded. A little bit higher lip.
Oh, a little.
Yeah, and then a nip. I want to taste too. I cannot wait. Wow.
I'm getting really in kind of berry.
Wow.
Minty. Be careful. Stay
Wow. Wow. Good taste.
there. Don't smell, Luna.
Definitely not a London gin.
No.
Okay, Lynn.
Oh, not too
Even
much.
taste in the camera.
Cheers.
What is this one? Put the gin in the Jack Daniels glass. Sorry guys. Sorry for sorry for the gin lovers. I do it in the whiskey glass Jack Daniels. Sorry. Wow. Wow. Oh, that's so nice. Here, Lynn. For you?
That's too much.
Yeah, you have done so much translation in more languages for this customer also. A lot of hours work on it.
True.
So
But
you did,
yeah.
without you, I was nothing. With translations in
I
more
was the back
languages.
support.
Yeah. This is the back support from
support.
what kind? Was Linda? She's a little bit mad sometimes. Me, never. I'm always normal.
Liar.
Oh.
Liar.
Oh. No, I talk now.
You can have this one.
Yeah, but I drink now, so I talk with the truth. It's really nice, guys. Thank you very much for this.
Thank you very much.
I stopped the movie. And it is really wow. Thank you very much. And here we go. Oh, my puss wanted to check. Mau, do you like it, Luna? Do you like it, Luna? Yeah, meow, meow. No, this is all okay. Now I'm break.